left the seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains, and in the sound of silence,
in restless dreams I walk alone, narrow strips of cobblestone, near the halo of the street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp.
when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that splits the night. That's the sound of silence.
Like I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening,
People writing songs that voices never share. No one dares through the sound of silence. Who said you do not know?
silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that are my teacher, take my arms that are my richer.
But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echo in the walls of silence.
Whispered in